Maharashtra has taken a step towards implementing a uniform civil code, with Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announcing a seven-member expert committee to prepare the framework for the proposed law. The committee will be headed by former Supreme Court Justice Ranjana Desai and has been given 6 months to study the legal, constitutional, social and administrative aspects of the Uniform Civil Code before submitting its recommendations to the state government. Its members include former High Court judges Justice R.C. Chavan and Justice S.G. Mehre, former Maharashtra Chief Secretary D.K. Jain, former Advocate General Virendra Saraf, social activist Padma Shri Ramesh Patange, and educationist Suvarna Raval. Fadnavis said the government would prepare the final draft based on the committee's report and aims to introduce the Uniform Civil Code bill during the Nagpur winter session of the Maharashtra legislature. He added that the government would follow all constitutional and legal procedures before implementing the law. The Chief Minister also said the proposal aligns with the directive principles of state policy and reflects Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision of ensuring equality through a common civil framework governing matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance and adoption. Maharashtra's move comes as the debate on the Uniform Civil Code gains momentum nationwide. Uttarakhand became the first state after independence to implement a UCC, while Assam has also passed its own UCC legislation.